In business statistics, in the last two lessons, we were looking into the calculation of median by different methods. And before that, we have also looked into the concepts of median, like meaning of the median and merits and demerits of the median. So the main objectives of this lesson, a student will be able to understand after completion of this topic, are calculating median for continuous series when less than or more than cumulative frequency tables are given. And we will also be looking into the calculation of missing frequency, one or two frequencies, and median is given. In the arithmetic mean also, we have seen similar problems where some missing data is there and we are calculating the missing data with the help of the data available. In the same way, here also, we will be finding out the missing frequencies when some median value and n value like are given. So coming to the quickly recap of the things what we have seen in the last lesson is median for continuous series can be calculated as follows. We can find out the cumulative frequencies of the frequencies and find the median class with the value of size of n by 2th item and apply the formula m is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into I, where L1 is the lower limit of the median class, which is calculated by n by 2, and n by 2 is the sigma f, that is total frequencies divided by 2, minus Cf. Cf is the cumulative frequency of the preceding class of the median class. Preceding cumulative frequency of the median class. And where I is equal to length of the class interval or gap of the class interval, upper limit minus lower limit. And f is the frequency of the median class in which median is falling. So we have seen median for continuous series like inclusive classes and exclusive classes. Exclusive classes, we need not do anything. Directly we can calculate the median by following the procedure, where inclusive classes must be converted to exclusive classes. And then we have to find out the cumulative frequency. So that extra step is there. And then find the class, median class, with the value of size of n by 2th item. And apply the formula m is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus Cf by F into I. And we have also seen median formula in continuous series where m is equal to, m means median is equal to L1. L1 is the lower limit of the median class, n by 2. N by 2 is the middle number of the given series, and I is the length of the class interval or class interval difference of the median class, and F is the frequency of the median class. In the last lesson, we have also seen some examples for calculation of the median. So there, in the last lesson, in the first example, which I have shown you, by mistake, the problem could not be done correctly. So for that, I expressed regrets in the last lesson itself. And the correct solution for the example 1 of the lesson number 16 is shown here for your understanding. So this was the problem. And of course, I have explained you the process of calculating the median very elaborately in the last lesson with the example of this problem, where I tried to make you understand the example. Anyway, the same example is taken so that you can take down the correct example. So the calculation of median is taken. And since the cumulative frequency last item is 290, n is equal to 290. That is also understood. So since n is equal to 290, n by 2 will be 145. That means n by 2 is falling in this value where the median class is 80 to 100. So the median class can be taken as 80 to 100, where the frequency is 90 and the cumulative frequency is 135 and lower limit is 80 and n by 2 is 145. So with the help of these values, we will substitute the values in the example and solve the problem. So as I said, n by 2 is 145th item. That means it is falling in 80 to 100 class, since 145 in the cumulative frequency has the corresponding x value as 80 to 100. So applying this formula, we got the values as L1 80, n by 2 145, this one n by 2 is 145, and this CF is 135. That is the cumulative frequency preceding the median class 80 to 100, above is 60 to 80. So that cumulative frequency we have to take here, that is 135, and gap of the class interval or difference of the class interval of the median class, that is 80 to 100, is 20, and the frequency of the median class is 90. So substituting these values, 80 plus 145 minus 135 into 20 divided by 90, and that comes to 80 plus 10 by 90 into 20, or 80 plus 2.22, or median length of the given problem is 82.22 inches. So this was the problem which we have seen earlier. So please correct yourself and take the correct example solution. So coming to this lesson, the first topic is calculation of median, again in continuous series when less than cumulative frequency is given. So the steps are: convert less than cumulative frequency table into ordinary frequency table, and determine the median class. Median class is to be determined by n by 2, that is total of the frequencies divided by 2. And after ascertaining median class, use formula to calculate exact value of the median. And by applying this formula, this we have already seen, the formula is already looked into in the last lesson. So the same formula is used here. This is continuous series formula. So all the values we understand, that is L is equal to lower limit, n by 2 is the middle number of the frequencies, and so on. And by taking an example, we'll understand less than cumulative frequency. So here in the class interval, less than number is given. Here less than 10 means any number which can be taken for 10. Here we have to first determine the class interval. So listen carefully how to determine the class interval. Here we are given with less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, and so on. So we can understand from the problem is the class interval here is less than 20. That means the upper limit is 20. In the same way, the upper limit is 10 here. In the same way, the upper limit is 30 here. In the same way, the upper limit is 40 here. So here upper limit is 40, here upper limit is 30. So the gap is 10. We have seen in the exclusive series that the same upper limit in the above class interval is the lower limit of the class interval. That means here upper limit is 10 and here lower limit will be 10. Here lower limit will be 20 because upper limit is 20 here. Likewise, lower limit can be determined here by taking 10 gap because everything is having 10 gap. Assuming uniform in the series, 0 to 10 we can take as first class interval and continue this series. That means the class interval will be 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. So here we are given with cumulative frequency. This is cumulative frequency. So we have to convert this into ordinary frequency. That means first frequency is 4. Next frequency is 16 minus 4. Next frequency is 40 minus 16. Likewise, you have to take. You take a column here and then you put this 4 here. After taking 4 here in the third column, in the second row, we will take 16 minus 4. Here 40 minus 16. Here 76 minus 40. Here 96 minus 76. Here 112 minus 96. 120 minus 96 and 125 minus 120. 112 minus 96, 120 minus 112, 125 minus 120. So this is the actual frequency, simple frequency that we have to take. So the series can be like this: 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. And the frequency is 4, 12, 24, 36, 20, 16, 8, and 5. So this is the actual beginning of the solution that we will see in the solution. See here, this we have to prepare, right? So here, actually this is the frequency. Again, we have to convert this into cumulative frequency for solving the problem. So that means actually we need not convert this anymore. So for less than frequency, we need not convert the frequency to ordinary frequency. Simply we can convert this class interval, that is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and so on. Here you write cumulative frequency and then you can solve the problem. Right. This is the actual solution we have to take. And the next step will be the size of n by 2 item is 125 by 2 and 62 by 0.5. And for calculation of the median, formula is taken. So we have identified that median class is 30 to 40. Since 62.5 lies here in 76, it is lying. That means median class is 30 to 40. So here we can determine the values of the median class. That is, L is equal to 30, F is equal to 36, CF is equal to 40, and N by 2 is 125 by 2. That is 62.5. So the same values are taken here. That is, L1 is equal to 30, N by 2 is 62.5, CF is 40, F is 36, and I is 10. Likewise, if we calculate the value, the median value is 36.25 for the given series. So this is how we have to calculate the median when less than cumulative frequency is given. We will take another example. Below 10, below 10 means less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, less than 60, and so on. So here the same example, the same solution we will take. Below means less than, the gap is 10. So the 10 is lower limit of the second class interval. Likewise, we can convert this. So we can assume that 0 to 10 is first class interval, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90. And cumulative frequency is converted to ordinary frequency, that is 5, 13 minus 5, 29 minus 13, 41 minus 29, 85 minus 41, 108 minus 85, 118 minus 108, 128 minus 118, 130 minus 128. So the frequency is 5, 8, 16, 12, 44, 23, 10, 10, 2. And we have to convert this to cumulative frequency. We have to find out these values. These values are necessary to find out the median class and the F value. In the formula, we have F. That value we have to determine. So we will determine that. Since the cumulative frequency is 130, n is equal to 130, n by 2 is 130 by 2, that is 65. So the value is 65, that is n by 2. So here we will try to determine the values of the formula. Since n by 2 is 65, 65 is falling here. The class interval, median class interval is identified as 40 to 50, right? So L1 is equal to 40, F is equal to 44, cumulative frequency is 41, and n by 2 is 65. So all the four values we got, we'll see the solution. So the same thing is here. That is n by 2 is 65, L1 is 40, CF is CF is 41, their value is missing. Anyway, CF is 41, I is equal to 10, this I value is missing here, and F is equal to 44. Okay, substituting the values, L1 is 40, N by 2, CF, F, and I. So solving this, we got this equation, and 40 plus 5.5 is the final median mark, that is 45.45. So this is how we have to calculate the median when less than cumulative frequency is given. Now we will understand some problems, how to solve the median in the next concept, that is more than cumulative frequency. This you have to understand very carefully, because how to convert the class interval. So again, calculation of median in continuous series when more than cumulative frequency are given. First of all, in the steps, the first step is convert more than cumulative frequency table into ordinary frequency table. So in the problem, we will be given more than cumulative frequency, that we have to convert into ordinary frequency. So this is our first task. Then we will decide the median class by taking n by 2. N is cumulative frequency, total of the frequencies divided by 2, n by 2. So n by 2 rank of median we will identify in the class interval, and that is the median class, and then apply the formula to know the exact value of median. So I think you all remember that median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus CF by F into I. This you have to by heart. This is the formula, and this is the explanation is here. What are the items? So to quickly recap what we have seen in the earlier examples and in the last lesson also. L1 is the lower limit of the median class. N by 2 is total frequencies by 2. CF is the cumulative frequency of class preceding median class. F is the frequency of median class. And I is the class interval. Taking example, above 10, above 20, above 30, above 40, above 50, above 60, above 70, above 80. Here, please listen carefully how to convert this class interval into a normal class interval. So we have to see what we are given, what we have, and what we have to find out. We have above 10. That means the values are above 10. Please listen. Values are above 10. The class interval values are above 10. And here above 20. 20 plus 20 and above. Here 10 and above. That means above means after 10 some values are there. That means this is taken as lower limit of the first class interval, because it indicates that this is the first value of the class interval of the series. First value of the first class interval of the series. First class interval is this one. So the lower limit of the class interval is 10. This is the lower limit what we are seeing. 10 is the lower limit of the first class interval. 20 is the lower limit of the second class interval. If 20 is the lower limit of the second class interval, the upper limit will be 20 automatically. That should be understood very carefully. That means 20 is upper limit of this class interval, that is 10, 20. That means the class interval is 10 to 20. Here 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90. Because we have last class intervals as 10 gap, we can assume that this is also 10 gap, 80 to 90. So the class interval is determined. Again, I repeat, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90. Now we will convert the frequency. You take the another column where 80 to 90 is 0. From below you have to come. From downwards you have to come to change the frequency. 80 to 90 is 0. First cumulative frequency we take as this. So 80 to 90 is 0. 0 minus 8 or 8 minus 0. We have to write here. 8 minus 0. 8 minus 0. Here 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8. From below we are coming. First one is 0. 8 minus 0. 12 minus 8. 25 minus 12. 40 minus 25. 70 minus 25, 40. 95 minus 70. And 100 minus 95. This is the actual frequency that we will see in the solution. You can understand. Here, as I said, series is 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, and 80 to 90 we have to take. Here this in the solution it is missing. Because it is 0, You can also omit, of course, but it is not advisable to do that. You can take even 80 to 90 and 0, right? So the cumulative frequency, as I said, 8 minus 0. Here we can take 0, 80 to 90, and then 70 to 80 is 8 minus 0, 60 to 70 is 12 minus 8, 50 to 60 is 25 minus 12, 40 to 50 is 40 minus 25, 30 to 40 is 70 minus 45, 40, 20 to 30 is 95 minus 70, and 10 to 20 is 100 minus 95. That is, the frequency is this one. This one. The frequency is this one. And again, you have to take cumulative frequency just opposite to what you are having in the problem. 5, 30, 50, 60, 75, 88, 92, 100. So n is equal to 100. N by 2 is 100 by 2, that is 50. So n by 2, median class, median value is 50. 50 is falling here. In this cumulative frequency is 50 falling. That means median class is 30 to 40. Median class is 30 to 40. That means the median falls in the value of 30 to 40. So we'll recollect the formula. Median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F and multiplied by I, where L1 is 30, n by 2 is 50, L1 is 30 as I said, CF is 30, CF is 30, F is also 30 here, and I is the 40 minus 30 is 10. So again I repeat, L1 is 30, n by 2 is 50, CF is 30, F is 30, and I is 10. So using the formula, median lies in the class 30 to 40, as I said. L1 value is taken as 30, and n by 2 value is taken as 50. CF value is taken as 30. F value is 30, and I is 10. By solving this, we got 36.67. Right? We'll take another example. So more than 0, please observe. More than 0 means above 0. So the lower limit is 0 for this class interval. This class interval lower limit is 0 and upper limit is 10, because this is lower limit of this class interval. 10 is the lower limit of this class interval. So upper limit of this class interval is 10. So 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90. And we will convert the class interval. So here 80 to 90, 0. Next, for this 70 to 80 is 14 minus 0. For this 60 to 70 is 30 minus 14. For this 50 to 60 is 70 minus 30. 40 to 50 is 80 minus 70. 30 to 40 is 80 minus 80. For this 20 to 30 is 100 minus 80. For this 10 to 20 is 140 minus 100. And for this 0 to 10 is 150 minus 140. Here 14 minus 0, 30 minus 14, 70 minus 30, 80 minus 70, 80 minus 80, 100 minus 80, 140 minus 100, 150 minus 140. So these are the frequency values. That means 10, 40, 20, 0, 10, 40, 16, 14 are the frequencies of the class interval given for us. So you can observe the class interval, you can observe the frequencies, how they are converted. Now we will take the cumulative frequency like this: 10, 40 plus 10, 20 plus 50, 0 plus 70, 10 plus 70, 40 plus 80, 16 plus 120, and 14 plus 136. That is n is equal to 150. So total frequencies are 150. That is n by 2 is 150 by 2, that is 75. So n by 2 is 75. Now 75 is falling here. In this median class, 75 is falling. That is 40 to 50. Median class is 40 to 50. Now we'll see the formula. Median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus Cf by F into I. That means the values are L1 is equal to 40, n by 2 is 150 by 2, that is 75, Cf is 70, F is 10, and class interval I is, gap is 10, 50 minus 40. So these are the values. We'll see. These are the values. That means L1 is equal to 40. Sorry, here formula is differently given. I'm sorry for that. We will take the same formula what we have seen. So L1 is equal to 40, n by 2 is 75, Cf is equal to 70, and F is equal to 10. Sorry, only the formula is given wrong. Formula you can write again. Median is equal to, you please take note. Median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus Cf by F into I, where L1 is equal to 40, n by 2 is 75, Cf is 70, and F is 10. Right. Median is equal to 40 plus 75 minus 70 by 10 into 10. That means 40 plus 5 by 10 into 10. This is the answer. 40 plus 5. Hence the median mark is 45. So the problem solution is 45. Now we will look into another aspect, last concept of this lesson, that is when frequency is missing. So till now we have seen less than cumulative frequency and more than cumulative frequency, how to convert the class interval and how to convert the frequency given and how to solve the problem. Till now, the problems in which we have seen in the last lesson and in this lesson up to this point, no data is missing, and everything is calculated and median is calculated. Now, from here, we will be learning how to calculate the median when missing frequencies are given. In fact, the median value will be given and frequencies, one or two frequencies are missing. So we have to find out the frequencies missing. That is the actual problem. Steps we will see. We can come across when one value of the frequency is missing or when two values of frequency are missing. Here we can assume any variable, that is f, a, b, c, any variable, any alphabet we can assume, but since it is relevant to take f because missing frequencies are there, we will take f. This assuming we have seen in the last arithmetic missing data also. So if only one frequency is missing in the problem, that we can assume it as f, missing frequency as f, and then calculate the missing frequency. If two values are missing, better take a and b or xy or f1, f2, anything, any constant value you can take. That will be variable and we will calculate the variable. Now, assuming these values, next step will be calculate the cumulative frequency as it is and obtain the total. For example, if two frequencies are missing, this type of total frequency you will be getting. That is, for example, 100 plus f1 plus f2, like this. Next is substituting values in median class or substituting the values in the median formula. We will substitute the values in the median formula, that is median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus CF by F into I, where M is median class, median value, L1 is lower limit, n by 2 is total frequencies by 2, CF is cumulative frequency of the median class preceding the median class, I is the gap of the class interval of the median class, and F is the frequency of the median class. So by using that formula, we will substitute the values, and by solving the equations, we will get the values of F1 and F2. So by taking an example, we will see. We are taking this example, find the missing frequency in the following distribution, in the following class interval. When n is equal to 170, that is total frequencies are 170. The total of these frequencies is 170. where 1 and 2 values are missing, and median is 35. Median is 35. So we are taking m is equal to 35 and n is equal to 170, and n by 2 is 170 by 2, 85. So n by 2 is 85. Two values we are knowing, and I is 10 because gap of the class intervals given are 10. So three values we are able to determine from the problem. That means we know three values, and we'll assume the missing frequencies. Missing frequency of 20 to 30 class interval is F1, and 40 to 50 class interval frequency is F2. Here, F1, F2. So we will calculate the cumulative frequency. So we know how to calculate the cumulative frequency. First, you take 10, 20 plus 10. So here 30. 30 plus F1, 30 plus F1 plus 40, that is 40 plus 30, 70, 70 plus F1 is the cumulative frequency for this, and F2 is given here. So we take 70 plus F1 plus F2. And next one is 95 plus F1 plus F2. And next is 110 plus F1 plus F2. That is 170. This 170 is already given in the problem here. So same equation is taken here. That is, the first equation is 110 plus F1 plus F2 is equal to 170. So this is n, and n by 2 is 170 by 2, that is 85. So 85 may fall here. 85 may be here, because normally by seeing the class intervals and frequencies, we can assume this is the highest frequency, and because it is lower, so 85 may fall here only. Okay, right. The median class is 30 to 40. So we can again assume the values. L is 30. So median is given as 35. So 35 is equal to, you please write, 35 is equal to L1 is 30, F is 40, N by 2 is 85, that is 170 by 2, and CF is 30 plus F1. CF is 30 plus F1. So all the five values we are able to identify. This is the solution. That means M is equal to size of n by 2, that is 85. Median is 35. It lies in 35 to 40. So like this also we can assume. Since here in the problem we are given with median is 35. That means median is falling in this class. So median class is this one. In that way also we can assume this is median class. This is lower limit. This is F. Right? This is CF. This is I, and M is equal to, or median is equal to 170. 35. N by 2 is 170 by 2, 85. So n by 2 is 85, 35 plus 30 plus 170 by 2 minus 30 plus f1 into 10. By taking LCM and cross multiplying, we will get 1400 is equal to 1200 minus 30 plus f1 into 10. 10 here is it is appearing 10, and this is the actual equation, that is 1400 minus 1200 is equal to 850 minus 30 plus f1 into 10. So in this next step, 1400 minus 1200 minus 850, this 850 is brought here, minus 850 is equal to minus 30 into 10, 300, minus 10 into f1, 10 f1. Here, the same what I have given you in the last slide, same equation. So by solving, 1400 minus 1200 is 200, minus 850 is minus 650, this is minus 650, and minus 300, this is minus 300, and minus 10 f1, or this equation can be written as minus 650, this 300 is taken here, that is plus 300 is equal to minus 10 f1. So minus 350 minus 10 f1, minus minus cancel, or f1 is equal to 350 by 10, cross multiplying again, 350 divided by 10, that is f1 is equal to 35. So the first frequency value which is missing is 35. So we know that 110 plus f1 plus f2 is equal to 170. This is here. 110 plus f1 plus f2 is 170. So the same is written here. 110 plus 35 plus f2. f1 is substituted, taking here 110 plus 35 plus f2 is equal to 170. That is 170. 145 plus f2 is equal to 170, or f2 is equal to 170 minus 145, that is f2 is equal to 35. So f1 is 35 and f2 is 25. The missing frequencies are 35 and 25. Here we take another example. Here two frequencies are missing and n is equal to 100, that is n by 2 is 50, median is 30. So median is 30 means it may fall here or it may fall here also. So we will take this one, 30 to 40 we will take as median class. Then we can solve the problem. We can take either 20 to 30 or 30 to 40. We can assume anything. So I think in the solution I have taken this median class. Let us see. Yes, this is taken as median class. Right? Assuming 10 to 20 is f1, 40 to 50 class interval is f2. So by taking cumulative frequency, that is 75 plus f1 plus f2 is equal to 100. That is the equation. Here, since median is 30, it is assumed that it lies in the class 30 to 40. Right? Then, hence, n by 2 is 50. That is 100 by 2. L1 is 30, I is 30, F is equal to 30, CF is 35 plus F1. So median is equal to 30, which is given in the problem, is equal to 30 plus 50 minus 35 plus F1 by 30 into 10. So in the same method as we have seen in the last example, 30 into 30 by LCM cross multiplying, we get this one. This, if we expand, this we will get 30 into 30 is 900, 900, 900 plus 500, 10 into 50, 500 is taken outside, minus 35 plus F1 into 10. Other words, 900 minus 900, 900 is taken here, 500 is taken here, 900 minus 900 minus 500, minus 350 minus 10F1 minus 500 is equal to minus 350 minus 10F1, right? Here, minus 350 minus 350 minus 10F1, or 350 is taken here, minus 150 minus 10F, minus minus is cancelled, or 150 is equal to 10F1, F1 is equal to 150 by 10. Again, 10 is taken here and F1 is equal to 15. And since we know 75 plus F1 plus F2 is equal to 100, that is in the table what we have calculated, we got 75 plus F1 plus F2 is equal to 100. So since F1 is 15, we can substitute that value here, 75 plus 15 plus F1, F2 is equal to 100, or 90 plus F2 is equal to 100. Therefore, F2 is equal to 100 plus 100 minus 90, that is F2 is equal to 10, right? So we got the values, F1 is equal to 15, F2 is equal to 10. This is the solution. So with this, we come to an end of this lesson. In this lesson, what we have seen, we will quickly summarize. In this lesson also, we have seen median calculation for continuous series when less than cumulative frequency table is given or more than frequency table is given. And we have seen how to convert the less than cumulative frequency table and calculate the median class and apply the formula to calculate the actual median. And we have also seen more than cumulative frequency. In the same method, converted cumulative frequency table into simple frequency by converting the class interval and frequency, find cumulative frequencies and find the median class with the value of size of n by 2 item, and then apply the formula. And when frequency is not giving, frequency is missing, assume it as f if one frequency is missing, assume it as f1 and f2 if two frequencies are missing, and proceed with the solution. Now substitute the values in formula and get the missing frequencies. So with this, we came to an end of this lesson. Now you practice all the assignment problems given here to understand this topic better. First problem is less than cumulative frequency problem. So you have to convert the class interval, cumulative frequency, and then you calculate the median. For your benefit, I will convert the class interval. Below means anything below 0. So lower limit will be below 10. That is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. So now you convert this cumulative frequency to find out the actual frequencies, because for finding f, we have to convert this into actual frequencies, an ordinary frequency. This is also less than cumulative frequency. This is more than cumulative frequency problem. So you convert from below to convert to normal ordinary frequency. That is this one, this method. Downward, down upwards, this one. this step. And this is also more than cumulative frequency. And again, more than cumulative frequency problem is given. Now we have two missing frequencies. We can take two missing frequencies and then calculate the missing frequencies. Right? Here, total frequency is 100,000 and median is 413.11. So, median class is this one. You can determine like this. Lower limit is 400, median is 413.11. So, the formula is 413.11 is equal to 400 plus n by 2 is 500 minus 102 F1 is the cumulative frequency, and frequency you can calculate by converting this and substitute the values. We will get the F1 value and F2 values. This is also missing frequency. You can calculate. And this is also missing frequency. So 3 problems are in missing frequencies, 4 problems in more than cumulative frequency, 2 problems in less than cumulative frequency. So with this, we came to an end. Thank you very much. All the best.